Well, hello everybody, it's Bella here from Rach and Bella Crafts, and I've been pretty busy for the last week, and I've had a reorganization of my craft room. I'm sorting now. This is a new set of shelves up here, and that's my new desktop there. I had the Alex cupboards before, and I had that one before as well, but these are more or less sorted on this side, and that's the shelves that I had on the other wall on the left hand side, and I've repurposed those over there. That's my cupboard that I had here, and let me see if I can step back, and these are my new cabinets. Managed to get all our quilting up there, and that'll be going in our shop soon, and I've really had a good sort out. So, but I've still got this box to put back up on the shelf. That's got to be sorted over there, and I'm not doing too badly, I don't think. They're my paintings there, don't look at those. So yes, it's coming along quite nicely. If you want to see the progress, it's on our Facebook page, which is Junk Journaling Trading Post on Facebook with Rach and Bella Crafts, and I posted 6 days so far. 7th day today will go up today, and you will see the progress of what I've been up to for the last week. So, and this little cubby hole here is where I'm storing things, but it's not quite as I want it yet. That cupboard is going, this one, so there's still quite a bit to do, so I'm doing it slowly, and this is what I'm working on at the moment, these cupboards, and I'm working on my shelves. So hopefully by Wednesday of next week it should all be okay. So I thought I'd just post this up to show you where I've been and what I've been doing, and I hope you're all well and had a wonderful Christmas, and to wish you all a happy new year, and God bless you all. So take care now, and I hope you've been busy like me. Bye for now.